Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cole. I'm also known as the Diva here on YouTube, and I'm known for being the Diva because I'm always being completely honest and being 100% unbiased. Today we are reviewing a very risque collection. This collection has a lot of drama, controversy, all of that about it, and I did buy this with my own money because I was very curious, and because you guys were very curious as well. My DMs have been nonstop. Where's the review, Cole? Where's the review? So I had to come. I had to come through for the girls, and we'll talk about all the controversy later. So without further ado, don't forget to subscribe. This video will shows up. Leave a comment down below, and yeah, let's get started. You guys, this collection, I always say in so many videos that this was my most requested, but I had legit like owners of other companies asking me about this collection. Like, what are my thoughts? Am I gonna post a video? Like, what do I think? And I was like, okay, well, if you want the tea, I guess get sipping, because I'm more than welcome to spill it, bitch. Okay, so in this collection we have a palette, we have new powders, we have a shimmer palette, and also glosses and a lipstick vault. That's a lot, and there's a lot of tension, sexual, with this collection as well. How many shades are in here? 50 something? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's 50 times 6? What's 5 times 6? 5 times 6 is 30. Yeah, 5 times 6 is 30. So this is the first palette. Her name is ORGY, monetization reasons. She cannot be named. She's a secret. We're keeping her on the DL. And this is what the palette looks like. It is really nice. It honestly is a really great color scheme. I think this is a palette for everybody. These two rows in my camera look very light. They're not. This row is like legit dark enough for me to do a complete eye look. So don't be mistaken by the color saturation, because these are very, very pigmented shades. You guys can even see with my lighting that there is a range of undertones. And then we have the mini palette, which has 9 shades of just shimmer. As you've seen from the other one, there's 0 shimmers, and this one does have shimmers, which I kind of like that. I think it's very interesting because there's a lot of people that I know personally that only like shimmers. We also have new like luminous powders, which I'm interested in trying, and also glosses per usual. I love this packaging. And the big girl, the big, long, juicy, and girthy Miss Double. She is, oof, full of nudes. A ton of people are talking about this palette and this collection in general, asking my opinion, where I stand, and honestly, I love makeup. That's why I'm here. This is what I do. Any collection that comes out and that is just interesting, different. This is so, I've never seen anything like this in the market before. So it's just interesting for me. It makes me want to buy it. It makes me want to see it. It makes me want to hold it, because I love makeup. I collect it. That is why I'm here today. You guys love when I review influencer makeup, so that's why I'm here. Any controversies or all of that are not on this channel. Again, we are unbiased. We are clear. We have a clear vision of what we're doing, and that is reviewing makeup. If people want to know my thoughts on this, whether to buy it or not, you're the perfect place. I think to get started, I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so we can get started on the eyes. I kind of want to do something dark and sexy today, so come here. Doing a couple swatches, I'm going in with the shade Top, and also Blowout. So this is Top. Oh, she's nice and caramel. This is she's a nice dark brown. Ooh, that did not come across good. Through those veins, ooh, she did not swatch look good. And then we also have Blowout. Blowout and Top are really good. She could use a little bit of work. It could be because of my veins, but let's look. Yeah, way better with the second swatch. First, I'm gonna be going with the shade Top. It's this nice, medium, very warm tone brown. She's gorgeous. We love a good top girl. I also primed my eyes with the NARS concealer, this one. She's bomb for eye primer and for concealer. This is already going on extremely, extremely pigmented. I'm also gonna take this on the inner corner as well. I never really do halo eyes anymore, so we're gonna go for that look. Now that I blended that top shade up into my outer and inner crease, I'm gonna take the shade Gender Fluid, which is the shade right above it in the palette, and just kind of mix them right here, just to soften the edge. And we're gonna wing this out just slightly. Ooh. And that, ooh. Wow, these are blending themselves. I just love a good neutral palette because I feel like you can just take it anywhere. That's why I was so intrigued by this collection, not only because the names and everything about it. I was just intrigued because I love neutrals. I mean, who doesn't love a good neutral palette? Especially one with all mattes. Like, this is a makeup artist's dream. Now I'm going in with the shade Booby Trap. I think so. Yeah. Interesting name. I'm gonna do the same exact thing and just deepening it up I'm hoping this stays very pigmented like the last shade as well. So I'm gonna just take this on the innermost corner and this outer corner. And just keeping it close to the eyelash line and just slowly blend up. So it did take a little bit of building up for Booby Trap. That name is just hilarious to me. But it's coming out really good. I think I'm gonna go in now with Happy Ending and maybe a little bit of Money Shot. This one and this one, just to really deepen it up and give me that grungy look. Okay, so this is the eye basically done. I blended out pretty good. Money Shot was a little bit hard to blend out, but she did the job. Right here you guys can see it looks a little messy. That's because we're gonna cover that with shimmer right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Champagne Drip, which is this top one right here. Oh, you guys can see the metallic is just, she's there, she's there. And I'm gonna be taking a fluffy brush for this actually. I feel like fluffy brushes do better. Oh wow. I'm gonna take this all the way up and then slowly just dabbing onto the sides to give us that halo look. Wow, that is like maybe the shimmer of the year. Now I'm gonna also, I think, hype it up a little bit more with, of course my camera died mid-shooting, but I added a little bit of the Champagne Drip on top of where I put the Money Shot. Was perfect, and then I put a little bit of the Glass Wet just at the tip. She was okay, she wasn't the best, but she worked. Now I'm just gonna put some brown in my waterline, do the exact same on the bottom, and I'll be back to finish off the eyes. Okay, so these are pretty much the eyes completed, giving you very bedroom eyes, very just take it off vibes, you know? I love it. I think it blended out amazing. The shimmer is just so pretty. The lashes I'm wearing though are not the tea, but we're just not gonna talk about those. Now we can move on to the face powder. Since this is a luminous powder, I'm gonna go with the shade Fair. I will say Jeffree's powder formula is not my favorite, but I am excited to try this because I don't really like any other luminous powders. So what I like to do with them is just kind of like sweep them over the skin. So you guys can see this before. Ooh, well that was definitely a difference immediately. Definitely does give a little bit of a luminous look. Oh, and it smells like cotton candy. I'm not a big fan of highlighter, so this actually is really nice. I do like it. I think it's a really nice glow within. I do feel like this would definitely be something I'd put on top of powder and not use to set my face, but I mean, it's okay, nothing bad with it. And then last we have the lip products. We have Jeffree's Gloss and the Lipstick Volt. This has so many nudes in it. Oh my gosh, so many different undertones. My favorite one is Mannequin. That is just my favorite lip ever. I also loved using Mannequin on my clients in the past. If you guys don't know, I actually used to do strippers all the time, and I would use Mannequin on every single one of them. So I'm also going with Celebrity Skin to outline my lips and then Mannequin on top, and then we're back to try the gloss. Okay, so now moving on to the gloss. I love Jeffree's formula. It is really good, and I like that the lipsticks still smell so yummy too. This is a really pretty color. It just adds a nice little shimmer, definitely like a champagne color. This is in the shade Mouthful, which I can definitely relate to. It just is really nice and comfortable, and also I did love the lip liners. These lip liners are a million times better than the old ones. The old formula was sad to even throw away because I felt bad for the garbage. It was bad. But these ones are just the tea. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look using the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Nude collection. I think everything was pretty good. If I had to choose my favorites, I would definitely say the eyeshadow palette was just, it's big, girl. I love everything big, it's girthy, it's thick, it's strong, and I love everything big, thick, and juicy, and just yummy. So this is it for me. I definitely stand the palette. The Vault and the mini eyeshadow palette and everything really else is just kind of up to you. If there was something I wouldn't get from the collection, is maybe the powder, just because I'm probably not going to use it that often unless I'm going to be going outside, or I'm not going to be using highlighter, things like that. But yeah, if you're just a big fan of makeup, I think this collection is amazing for you. And that concludes today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone!